Hey guys, what's going on? So, happy Halloween. So, guess what I am? I'm a pickle. See? You like my costume? So yeah, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this really cool model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami ghost. See? And I drew a face right there just to make it look cooler. And yep, and this is... Oh, there you go. And this is the cool thing about it. Check this out. It's a note holder. And it's just like the cross that I taught recently. See? But it's a ghost. So you just put your note in here. I wrote trick or treat on this. Yep, see? And you just stick it into the slot like that. See? And then you can tell you can tell a trick-or-treater to look inside there when you give it to them. Yep, and then they'll be amazed. See? Just like that. And this is also a flicker. Check this out. Alright, so this model also flies like a flicker. But not really a good flicker, but it does fly okay though. Check this out. See? Just like that. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make this origami ghost, and it's a note holder. See? Like this. And like I said before, it's very similar to that. Well, it's just like that cross that I taught right here, except it's a ghost. And yep. And of course, what's cool about it is that it's a little flicker too. Doesn't really go that far though, but it's pretty cool. So anyways, now I'm gonna show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So you could probably do it from a sheet of printer paper cut square, and it would probably be better because it's white on both sides. Okay, so I'm gonna make a white ghost. So let's begin colored side up and fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Alright, unfold. And now fold both sides to the crease. Okay. Oh, and by the way, see, I put a band-aid on my finger because I fell off my bike yesterday and I kind of scraped myself, so yeah. So sorry about that. Okay. I'm trying to be really careful with this finger right here because I kind of injured it a little bit. Okay. And now let's fold in half this way too. So remember, here's the side with the two flaps. Okay, and now unfold. And now we're going to fold this up. And how far do you want to fold it up? Well, we're going to estimate thirds. So fold it so that this is equal to this. It doesn't need to be perfect, but just do the best you can. Just about like this. Close enough is fine. Alright, you don't need to fiddle with the folds, just estimate it. Okay, now unfold. And now what we're going to do is we're going to turn over on this side, and these folds right here are mountains, and we're going to make a valley in between. So fold this up so that this crease right here aligns with this crease. You can look at it from the side right here. See? Just make sure they both align like this. Alright. And then once you got it, increase that nice and sharp. Okay. Just like this. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a pleat right here, and we're going to fold it up so that the fold, you want to make the fold align with this middle crease right here. See? Like this. So you can look at it from the side right there. Alright? And then once you got it, you can turn over and make that nice and sharp. Alright? And repeat on this crease right here. So make it. Alright? And you can actually do it from this side. You can make the fold align with this edge right here. Alright? Just like this. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Alright, now we're going to undo those, and now we're actually going to change a couple of these folds. So, this fold right here, we're going to change it to a mountain fold now. So like this. And then this fold below it, we're going to make it into a valley. So we're just reversing those creases. Like that. And repeat right here. So make this bottom fold mountain, and then make this one a valley. Like this. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. Alright, so now what we're going to do is, we're going to take this part right here and we're going to fold it up right on this point right here. And you want this edge to be parallel with this edge. Close enough is fine. There's not really a crease right here to align it, so that's alright. Alright, and now we're going to do kind of a tricky step, not too bad though. What we're going to do is we're going to kind of reverse fold right here. So just take this, push that point in like this, and we're going to make a mountain fold that goes all the way across from this point right there. So just like this, flatten it like that. Alright, and make sure that the edges align right here too. Alright, and crease that nice and sharp. Alright, and repeat on this side. So fold this up right on that point, and make this edge parallel with this edge. Now unfold, and now we're going to push that in like this, making a fold all the way across, and then flatten it just like that. That's probably the hardest step of the whole model, but not too bad though. Okay, and now repeat on this side. So fold this up on this point, like this, unfold, and now let's do the same thing. So just mount and fold this edge in, pushing this in, and then make a fold all the way across, and make sure the edges align right here. Alright, just like that. Alright, and repeat on this side. Alright, just like this. So here we almost kind of have a cross right here. We have a big fat cross right here. And this is actually pretty cool like this. You can treat it like that origami cross that I taught recently. You can put your note in there. Oh god. I don't know what I did with that note. Okay, but yeah, you can flip a note in there. But alright, so now it's turned into a ghost. So turn over. And now it's pretty much all about shaping to taste. But the shaping, actually, there's guide marks. So fold this edge to this edge right here. You can do it to taste if you want, but it's nice that there's guide marks too. Alright, and repeat on this side. So fold this edge to this edge. Oh, I'm trying to pick it up here. Alright, and now there's the head, and it looks nice like this, but I don't like how it's raw edges up here, so I'm just gonna pull that edge in a little bit. See? So that way, it's a folded edge on top and not a raw edge, which looks way cleaner. Okay. And now shape the hands. So turn over, and let's paper airplane fold them like this. I mean, if you want rectangular hands, then you don't need to do this, but I think it looks better when they're pointy. Alright, and repeat on this side. Yeah, I'm trying to be really careful with this finger because it's kind of sore. Because you know I kind of injured it yesterday. Yeah, I fell off my bike when I was riding around. Okay, like that. And now we're gonna shape this part now. So for this, we're gonna fold this up. So the fold, I'm gonna use a pencil for this. So the fold goes in between this point right here and this point right here, so the midpoint. See, like this. Alright, increase that sharp. Now unfold and repeat on this side. So fold in between here and the midpoint. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna unfold this point, and now we're gonna stick this point inside of the bottommost slot right here. So here we go. It doesn't really matter which slot. You can, if you want, you can stick this point into this slot on the right, like this. I'm trying to grab it here. See, you can even do it like this if you want. But yeah, it doesn't matter which one you stick into. Just stick one into a slot like that, the bottommost slot. All right. And now refold the other side like this. And now this one, we're gonna open the slot here, see? Until you see black, or whatever color you're using. And we're gonna tuck this point inside. So we're wrapping it over that edge. Just like this. Alright, and now crease that nice and sharp. Okay, just like this. So now the ghost is almost done. Let's kind of shape this. So just take this part and just fold it over. And this is to taste. Just maybe about like this is good. Alright, like that. And there it is. The Origami Ghost note holder. So, is my note around here anywhere? I'm trying to find it. Oh, darn. Oh! I left it inside of this ghost. Silly me. Okay. So you open this up right here, and you just stick your note in just like that. See? And of course, if you make it really flat, like this, you can make it like a flicker. See? Well, yeah. It's not really the best flicker in the world, but it flies okay though. It just doesn't go that far. There we go. Ugh. Okay. And if you'd like, you can draw a face on it. I'm not really an artist, by the way, but I'm gonna do my best here because I don't draw. And you can make. I'm just gonna do a happy face right here. Like this, and put some teeth on it, make it more spooky. And I'm using a red Sharpie because that's more spooky. So there it is, the Origami Ghost note holder. Alright, well, I hope you guys were able to fold that, and make sure you subscribe, and happy Halloween! And of course, this model also spins. See? So you just turn over, make these two folds at the same time like this. So it makes a point right there, and then you find a smooth table and let it spin. Just like that. Alright, see you guys later.